Hi guys, today let's make a spicy stir-fried tofu. My rice cooker is working and this tofu will be perfect with my bowl of freshly rice. Okay, we need 1 pack of tofu. Make sure you get firm tofu so it's easy to stir fry. Open it up, discard the water inside. Then place the tofu on a strainer. Let it sit there while we are preparing some veggies. Tofu contains water. This way we can get water out of it. Okay, let's cut some green onions. Cut into about 2-inch thick. If you don't like long, thick green onions, cut it smaller. It's okay. Up to you. Green onion is done. Now slice half of an onion. Done with the veggies, let's check the tofu. See, it contains a lot of water. Discard that liquid and slice tofu about 1/4 inch thick. Then, cut them into half. Cutting tofu this way, it's easier to stir fry and every edge gets crispy so it tastes better. Heat some cooking oil at mid-high heat. Place tofu on the pan. Then lower the heat a little bit because we are going to make sauce now. Okay, let's get prepared to make some sauce before tofu gets burned. Here we go, sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of Korean chili powder. What? You still don't have it? Okay, put more of Korean chili pepper paste, but please get it next time. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, now it's time to flip the tofu. Tofu is nice golden brown. Good. A little bit more oil for the other side. Okay, back to sauce. We need Korean chili pepper paste. About 1/2 tablespoon. Then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, stir, stir. Then, 1/4 cup of water. Okay, pour the sauce into the tofu. Vegetable time. Onions in. Let's cook onions a little bit. If your heat is too high and your sauce is reducing too quickly, lower your heat. Okay, it's your turn, green onion. Get in there. Add 1 more 1/4 cup of water. Make sure tofu is all covered with the sauce and veggies, then cover with a lid. About 2 minutes, not too long. Take the lid off and start to stir fry. Control your heat between lower than mid-high, but higher than low-mid. Controlling heat is very important when you're stir frying. If you just leave it one high setting, then you will burn outside of your food, but inside will be not done. Okay, my spicy stir-fried tofu is done. Try the tofu and veggies together in one bite. Onions and green onion give you more flavor and texture. Enjoy it! Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.